Hello, this is a small video about the total AdBlue Delete from the car. So now we have Mercedes GLE with the problem with AdBlue. You see the check engine light. And now I'm gonna use the simple plug for the motor control unit tune. There is no computers, you don't necessary to go somewhere. You will do it just with simple plug. Now I'm gonna show how it works. So first I turn ignition, turn the motor off, then I turn ignition on. So now is SSC position 2. Now I'm gonna plug this to the OBD diagnostic, and then I will observe the messages. So I plug in now, and you see messages, waiting. And I have two options. First, AdBlue off. This is number of software. And I also have the possibility to come back to the factory. So there are two presets. The first preset that we need now is AdBlue off. So I just selecting with that buttons and confirming with star button. Okay, now is AdBlue off, and I'm confirming. Okay, ACC on, and I confirm. And it starts to totally delete AdBlue. I mean, totally bypass. It will take about 100 seconds, near 100 seconds, and you will see this progress bar moving. Oh, it started. It moves actually fast. Again, it's just simple OBD2 plug. No wires, no opening the motor control units, nothing. You just plug this one and forget about AdBlue. And, which is important, anytime you can revert back to the factory. This is very important because if you have problem with AdBlue, you just turn it off. If you go to the, I don't know, for the inspection or for the warranty case, you can revert it back. Okay, about 50% done and 50% to go. Okay, yeah, and so now it asks I'm turning ACC off for 15 seconds. Then observe message. You will have to turn ACC on again. Okay, now I turn ACC on again. And see, successfully finished. And remove the module now. Now again, remove this and the test. Unstart an engine, and you see, no check engine, nothing. Just with 2 minutes with simple OBD2 plug, totally AdBlue Delete. Hope you like it, and waiting for your orders. Thanks.